The markets in the day bullish. My name is D7 here at Grok, a trade Thursday, June 2nd, 2016. Markets in the day in bullish territory with the S&P above 2100, first time since April. We have everybody in bullish territory, small caps leading yet again, up 0.8%. Banks up, financials up, US dollar break even. Crude oil down 0.6%, gold down, but silver higher. VIX does drop by almost 3%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 ETF, exchange traded fund, the SPDR SPY. You can type in SPY on your chart to get the trading ETF on the index of the S&P 500. And today we've been going sideways, and then today, boom, big pop, higher high, higher low, busting above a number of resistance points. And because they've been violated, I am going to get rid of those. We do have another one coming up fairly soon. Very light volume last two up days, very light. You're not having a lot of smart money rolling into these highs at this moment, and that should concern you. I'm going to add another trend line here. I want you guys to pay attention to this. We're going to go down, bring it up to there, and I'll have to remove that there. Yeah, I feel good about that line. So there's the line that we are dealing with at this moment. We did get above this major trend line, and let's just see what happens. I'm going to go to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ stays above this major trend line, which is fairly bullish for it to do so. It did try to go bearish today. Rising AEMA found support there and rallied right back higher. Small caps up and away, busting through this line of resistance. So that now gets removed. Another line gets put in here and there. And that is what we're looking at. We still have more upside potential. It did break through some areas of resistance on small caps. This is the Russell's, by the way, Russell's 2000 ETF. And it's the IWM. You can type that in. You can actually trade it. It's going higher on volume, going lower. Crude oil is now toying with a support line that I think it's going to have trouble with. This line, let me see here. I went to that swing low. I didn't like how I had that originally drawn. So actually, I think crude oil is in a lot of trouble now because it did not close above this trend line, but still above the 200-day moving average. Look for a short opportunity on crude below the rising 20-day moving average on USO. 20-day moving average. Look for a short on that to the downside. It could be a nasty little drop on crude oil. Gold is breaking down low base or a bearish pennant. Look to maybe short that lower. I have some inside connections on people who sell raw gold. I'm talking straight out of the earth, and it's at 95% of spot. And anyway, they had another offering to me, and I declined today due to, I think that we are in dire trouble on gold and silver due to the fact that we have interest rates. Well, one, the strengthening of the US dollar, that's going to be bad for precious metals, and also interest rate hike that the Fed is inevitably going to do. It will not do any favors for gold. And so there I do not see a buy opportunity. Just picked up a silver individual. I like having people on the inside to buy metal from. Nice to have. Get cut out all the middlemen, get a much better bang for your buck. Silver, I said buy, and remember with the big question mark, I'm not buying, but this is certainly technically an area to be looking to maybe pick up some gold. There you have it. Make sure you go take the quiz at Grok Trading Mentor. If you know your charts, go there and take it. It's 10 charts. It won't take you 3 minutes to go through, and it will challenge you. If you like it, like it.